Today we are going to learn about contactors and its functions. Okay, contactors are made up of two components. Okay, and they come in different sizes. Okay, contactors come in different sizes. Okay, and this contactor, you can see that they have 220 to 230 volts and then 50 hands, meaning that the coil inside is taking 220 volts. Okay, so meaning that if you connect 220 volt live and neutral to the coil, it's going to energize. Okay, so inside the contactor, we are going to see how it's made up of. Okay, so we are going to open it quickly and then we go through the components and how they assemble it. Okay, so we first take off this, take off this, then we take off this guy also. Okay, all right, so after this I'm going to take out the links. All right, so this is the first part. Put it this side. Okay, so this is it. Then we take the other part also, we take it off. We are going to lose all the screws. Okay, then we check inside the contactor how it was made up of. All right, okay, so after this, then we take off this. Okay, we're going to lose it. All right, here we are. Okay, so inside the contactor, this is how it's made up of. Okay, now this spring here. Okay, this is the spring, and then this also a metallic object here. Okay, and this is the coil. Okay, so this is the coil. This is how the coil looks like. So we put the coil back. Okay, all right, so this, then we put this one here. Now this is the coil and then this is the links. So we are going to open and go deeper to it and see how it's made up of. Okay, so now we have got the coil. So now we are going to check also the links or the terminal. Okay, so take off this. we pull it out. All right, so after you pull the links out, then you turn it gentle, then you take off this. Okay, so you can see how the terminals look like. So these are the terminals. Okay, these are the terminal. All right, guys, so this inside the contactor, this is how it look like. Okay, this is how it was designed. All right, so guys, I'm going to couple it back and then we energize it and see how it works. Okay, this is how it looks like after coupling it or assembling. So guys, we're going to energize it and see how it works. Okay, and you can use this for street light and also industrial work, star delta connection, and then direct online panel works. You can use it in many functions. Okay, this guy is have a lot of functions, a lot of applications. You can use it anyhow you want. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channels and also press the like button, and then you can also share my videos for others. Okay, so guys, we're going to energize it and see how it works. Okay, and we are using this LED light. Okay, so basically, let's say you want to do a street light project. Okay, and the switch that we use in the house, the maximum amps is about 10 amps, and then you cannot use it for such a project. You can use the coil for the switch. Okay, and then you use the terminal blocks for the power section. Okay, so now instead of I'll use a switch, I'm going to connect it direct, and then we see how it works. This guy is going to energize, and when it energizes, there'll be a current that flows from the terminal blocks to the LED light. So this is how we did it. You can see that I'm just giving the brown and then the blue to the coil to energize, and this guy here links, okay, or terminal blocks. So when I energize it, it will close contact. Okay, all right, so this is how it works. Okay, so now see that the current flows from the terminal blocks to this LED light, so I can use it in series or parallel connection. Okay, so guys, this is basically how this contactor work, and inside of the contactor, as we learned earlier, it's made up of the coil and then the terminal section. Guys, subscribe to my channels and then you press the like button for more videos like this.